Tiny, tiny, tiny little pool. And my God, is it ridiculous how you got to get to it. But you're not going to stay here and expect to have a nice pool, I don't think. But it is nothing of a pool. And you would pass away before you got there in 106 degrees. I'm not going to bore you with the whole walk, but it's ridiculous. Because once you do all the walking out here, you've got a lot of walking inside, down hallways and stuff. It's just, I don't know who thought to put the pool out there. This is not a very big hotel. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 floors. It's definitely a locals. Here's the fitness center. They could call it the fitness closet. That would be more accurate. They're not serious about fitness.